I used to hold with tightened hands, counting every grain of sand. Fear said if I gave away, I would lose another day. But your wisdom showed me more. Closed fists cannot hold your store. When I bless another need, you are planting future seed. The generous soul will prosper. The one who waters will be watered too. I pour with joy, I trust the source. There is no lack in you. The generous soul will prosper. You refresh what others knew. When I become a stream of grace, your grace runs through me too. Kindness is a holy flow. What I give is never gone. Love returns in ways unseen. Growing fields once dry and lean. Break the fear of not enough. Teach my heart your kingdom trust. Open hands and open eyes. Watch your favor multiply.